You know it's for you?
Yes, it is furry. I told you. I told you it's furry. Hey, look.
A giant bubble thing.
Why are you laughing? I think the rabbit know I like. They're like Barbie. I'm Barbie. That's Wally.
Yeah.
Look what she came with. She came with that look.
Uh-huh.
She came with the ear size.
The headphones?
Yeah. We did she didn't have to. Can I play with her?
Uh-huh. What else does she have?
A guitar. All the time she's playing a guitar.
Here, hold it up so everybody can see.
Watch this.
Whoa.
Watch.
Whoa. What are you doing? Alright, can you tell Chicky thank you?
Thank you, Chicky.
Alright, you want to go play?